So we imported the data set DF, and here we can see it by going to the global environment where we see the name, the type, the length, how many columns do we have, the size, how many observations, which we have 15 of two variables, and we can click here to see our data set. Okay, we just imported right now. And then I can go here and let's say I want to run correlations. We have seen how to calculate correlations in Excel. Now we can do it in R and see if I get the 0.466. And the command for it is here on the left side. I'm just calling the new code here, the command I'm running, correlation. And then COR tells R I want to run a correlation. And I put in brackets DF. So I run that code, I can do control, enter, or I can just go up here and run it. And then it gives me that there is a correlation metrics. And to see it, I just do print, and I take the name that I just created for this command to see the correlation. And sure enough, I get the same number we calculated in the Excel sheet, which is 0.466.